Good afternoon. Today is the 3rd of June and I thought it was time for a channel update. We haven't done one of these for a while and I suppose the time is now. Again, it's not been a particularly normal month. If you look at May, that's not really surprising. I don't need to go into that, but the output I've been doing on things like cars on television and film will really kind of indicate to you what sort of time it's been. Don't need to go into that really, the reasons why, but yes, it's been an opportunity to get a lot of things done that I wouldn't normally have done. I don't know how many episodes of cars on television and film I've churned out since about March. It's an awful lot, and I think a lot of you seem to like that series, so we're going to keep that going. One thing I must say is that I do intend to resume a normal service from, what I would be doing had this whole situation not occurred at some point. So obviously the jumper is back. That's obviously normal. I do intend to start filming more Tweed jacket reviews and no budget reviews, and I'm going to need your help with that really. I have now filmed an episode of Tweed jacket reviews under the social distancing regulations, and I hope you'll see that in the next few days. It was good to be doing that again. No budget reviews as well. I've been offered a car to do for no budget reviews, and yes, that should be filmed at the weekend, so you should be seeing that next week. I hope you do enjoy it. If you wish to submit your car for either Tweed jacket reviews or no budget reviews, please send me an email, japl745@hotmail.com, or visit my website. There is a link on there to contact me directly. The showrooms, as of Monday, are open, and my lady wife and I are hopefully visiting one next week with a view to test driving a new car. Again, just so the other day, we're not going to tell you what that is at the moment. Mr. Coleman and I have hatched a plan to go and view something over the next week or so, and I hope you find, if we actually buy this thing, I don't know if we will at the moment, I do hope we find it interesting. Obviously I'm going to keep that very quiet as well, because there are certain logistical things involved in viewing the car, and if we buy it, getting it back. So we'll keep that very quiet. I'm very hopeful that actually we'll be seeing, people getting back to doing reviews on cars. I know Matt from Furious Driving is really getting into that now. Ian Seabrook, I know, is running out of content on his Hubnut channel from Australia and New Zealand, so he's probably going to be doing some of that. And obviously maintaining the government advice, maintaining what we've all been told, and I hope that will be the case. Just in terms of jacket reviews and also no budget reviews, at the moment I'm really restricted as to how far I can travel to do these things. It's only really if I'm based in Eastleigh and can get comfortably back and there and back in a day can I film these things. But by all means, once 4th of July comes, when things like restaurants and pubs and hotels are supposed to open again, then that should be possible to go and see some other cars. But yes, I hope you have enjoyed the last month or so on the channel. I'm seeing an increase in watch time, views and things like that, and I thank you all very much for the support you've been giving. The subscriber numbers are gradually going up as well, and that is fantastic to see. So thank you ever so much indeed for watching this quick channel update. As I said, don't forget to contact me, japl745@hotmail.com, particularly if you wish to submit a car for no budget reviews or Tweed jacket reviews. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already done so. Like this video, leave a comment below. My website is www.lloydvehicleconsulting.co.uk. My Facebook page is facebook.com/Lloyd Vehicle Consulting. And now I've also got Instagram, of course, instagram.com/Lloyd_vehicle_consulting. Thank you ever so much indeed once again for watching.